Your property is a form of a legacy. For me to be a part of that and to help you develop that, that's what I really love. My job always starts with a connection with the homeowner, listening and understanding what their goals are, and then how I can help them achieve them. That connection builds the design and builds the plan. I work with homeowners to make improvements for their landscape. Aesthetic improvements such as adding mulch, kind of replacing plant varieties or trees that work better with the environment. When it comes to your yard or property, it's not just about putting things in that make it look beautiful. It's the ongoing maintenance and mitigation of weeds and how best we can keep it a sustainable thing for your kind of skill level and your investment. I focus a lot on soil health because everything that grows needs a good base, and our soil health is the most important thing. I love what I do. I grew up learning gardening from my grandmother. To be in a role right now where I get to share that with homeowners and share that knowledge is really empowering.